Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. I know we haven't made a video recently because nothing's going on, but today I do see something brewing, so I want to reach out to you. This is Dixie on a daily time frame. We are officially breaking into the bullish control zone on a daily time frame above the 104 level. We've waited a very long time for this level to break, and it's finally breaking. Let me turn on the drawings real quick and officially trying to get into this 104 level. I'm looking for this 106, 105.50 next. If we get to that today and close above this, I have no way of being bearish into the beginning of the next month. Keep in mind, this is the last week for this month. And if we close above this 103, and we already are above 103, but if we close above that 104, I'm looking for us to take out those levels and approach back into this 108, 109, even 112 area to test the breakdown on this monthly uptrend that we just had a little pullback on this monthly. Okay, here's our consolidation after putting in this high over here. After this consolidation is over, we are looking for this uptrend to continue all the way to this 112, 114 and probably higher. So just be aware of that this bullish engulfing monthly is giving you upside. And with Dixie going up gives you downside on, let's say, Nvidia, like one of the stocks that I've pointed out this last week or so during earnings, as well as Bitcoin, ETH, and so on. So be aware of that moving forward into the rest of this week and into the monthly close. Here is now, let's go turn all this off. We'll go to Bitcoin on a daily time frame. And we'll just start off our normal routine. And I'll make it as quick as possible because I want you to have this info to trade off of for the day. All right. So here's daily on Bitcoin. After this bear flag that turned into a bar, this technically can be a shoulder, a head, and we can be making another dead cat bounce shoulder, probably into this $27,000 area, and then a rollover 27.1, 27.2. And that's if we get this dead cat bounce. It looks like we already got that dead cat bounce a couple days ago, and now we are already filling the wick, price efficiency, and you are in the bearish control zone on daily open and closes on Bitcoin, showing you, hey, it's looking for a low. So be very concerned and aware of this today as New York opens. As Dixie gets a nice push up, this might get a push down, and yeah, that is going to probably come test into the 25K level and see if that 24.8 even holds. And if we, I mean, in my opinion, I don't think this wick is support, so I wouldn't be surprised if we test that completely. Few things I can give you guys. If you turn this off, the 25K, after that 25K, I'm actually looking for 23,000, maybe 500. So I'm not really concerned about that wick. I want right under that wick. And then after that, I'm looking for my real long at 19.5. Jaime, if you're watching this video, Jamie, Jaime, keep in mind that what we talked about last year, this exact same time, is very possible. And that reality slap level is coming very close. It will be real after we lose 19.5, but I'm at least hoping that will give me my bullish higher low for continuation up to the 36.40 area. But yeah, this is now officially becoming more and more of a possibility. Keep that in mind. And yeah, this is what members is all about when we go over this level by level during our lives. Thank you, Cut, for stopping by yesterday's video live session. That's why I didn't do the video. I did live instead for whoever was there. And now let's basically gave you the heads up that, hey, I'm looking for downside. We have 27,100 or 27,200 as our resistance to the upside. If we get an open and close above that on a 4 hour, I would be gunning for the upside. Then you got major resistance at 28.5. So, I mean, we're basically fighting a bunch of resistance to the upside. But since volume is dwindling down, a possible dead cat bounce is what I was looking for into New York Open or something. But it's just not supported on daily, weekly, daily, monthly. Everything is basically just pointing straight down. So I am not too hopeful for buyers trying to step up in the last couple days of the month, thinking they're going to save this from rolling over. More than likely, we're going to roll over, and we're probably going to come into that $20,000 area. So let's see how that plays out. Now let's go take a look at ETH. For ETH, I will not be turning on my drawings because I like to keep that for members alone. I could care less about Bitcoin, so feel free to trade that accordingly. Here is ETH doing the same thing as Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a little bit above its previous low. ETH is flirting with it. Obviously, after this low, we're looking for this low over here at 1400, 1350-ish. This low over here got tested and broke. Oh no, basically it's equal low. That's cool. So that 1450 little wick that's there. So more than likely we'll probably come and approach back into that area because of this. This was a very fast move up. We are not in the bearish control zone like Bitcoin, so maybe ETH will do something to hold us sideways at least. But going sideways here gives us an opportunity for that dead cat bounce that we're looking for on Bitcoin. But I'm not looking for us to get above like 1700-ish, 1750 at most. And yeah, other than that, I'm looking for us to go test into the lows of like, 1500 and see if 1500 holds. If so, we can go sideways here and then get accumulated in this, what do you call it, expanding wedge. Do you guys see it? Do I want to draw 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 it? No, I do not, because it will show everything else. But right here is the bottom of the expanding wedge. Okay, here's the bottom. All the lines are touching. We got like 4 or 5 touch points now. And then here's the top of the expanding wedge over here. Okay, and this is the range, right, from here to here. More than likely, you're going to come tickle this bottom one more time and then probably break up. And that's how you do a short squeeze for all the people who are trying to short these last 2-3 days. As we're all the way on the bottom, a little bit move up will liquidate them because they're thinking they're going to be catching this move. But we're in the middle of the range for a reason. Once the market maker sees where all the orders are at, they'll go the opposite direction, liquidate the over leveraged side, then go the other direction. I mean, it's so typical that anyone over here that's stacking their trade with over leveraged position deserves to lose their money because they have no idea what they're doing. They're hoping for upside, they're hoping for downside. They're not waiting for any kind of candle confirmation. They're just gambling. So just be aware of that kind of stuff moving forward, guys. That's basically as quick as the video as I have for you guys. If you guys have any questions or concerns, leave it in the comment section below. Aside from that, if you guys are interested in trading with me live, feel free to join me on the Discord server. The link to the server is in the description of the video below, alongside all the other services and affiliate links that I recommend that help this channel grow. So thank you so much. Aside from that, guys, just leave me a like, subscribe, press the bell button for notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much, and see you soon. Trade safe.